ene Kwaku Manu akasa ai wakasa fa Okatakyie Afrifa ene His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
bisa de bio yewura Mahama ene ni nua Mahama ene Mahama family hwa na tete wo mo
ena afa ni nua Ibrahim Mahama saying say onim enipaku a anase nkofokura wotete His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene ni nua Ibrahim Mahama because of their humbleness
bisa de bio yewura Mahama ene ni nua Mahama ene Mahama family hwa na tete wo mo
with their oppositions and their wealth, and they still respect and then cherish human being. And but Jagwada me fan some now some more Kama studios. Now I'm the reason why I take Kwaku Manu at the NCBC Abetuja. Now let's also share this video to your family and your loved ones. We be around feel say we don't be our person woman who they course we infinity time so be no be share man if you are subscribe na we me adoman so say be update bi ano they be some this platform. They post videos wa on the first person obey say ya post video na fe mame fo mo Kwaku Manu nsemo de todwa ene emu abusia very simple Kwaku Manu say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama omampani a wateso sisiye no ono ene ni nua Ibrahim Mahama abusia say kan sikafo mo omayi mu a wontimi nkan na wonyi anuafo mienu yimfim efise His Excellency de ono de wadi assemblyman toto aso saa ko ene de bepem presidency na ni nua no so de one of the richest men in Ghana and in Africa ai na Kwaku Manu nsem no very simple ene Okatakyie Afrifa kushia His Excellency udwabo ase na ohwe Okatakyie Afrifa ni show for the records or start here on his own abusia wa fire His Excellency sa gina na konso en samonya no kru nyina waka
mo me mo ayim afa me da sori ye nra masi ene frame from America say ka che adwo ma say je no wo ye na me say ade wa ye dai wo se o wakosisa ayi ntu ba hwa anadwo ba 11 na me front na me say ayi me de say me usua de nti ni ase o dwo ma de ambulance bi aba o say we resetting we do the aba for chips compound no yamfa we mfa nipa
so mo beka ya abobo ya bi ba so a na yese pragya ambulance na Okatakyie Afrifa etena ne show so for the records no che mu say His Excellency na de bae na mo a moto mama His Excellency no mo susu so anase ade a wo se mo pani na moto ma ene monsaka
wan bekwen nko we na branche no ogina wa say yi wopon wo kai wopon akan drama wopon say ya na no wopon atwa na hani o ayi afimfim na wopon wo 55 no wopon akan drama say ya abranche na ni gi age
e no kanfo adi
wo kanfo no abobo ya nyama kesi adwoma ma ebe ye no wo ya ma yen
na news security ya kwacha ke busa na sa pragya ambulance na buy last 2021 na buy 2021 so de na yewura na arodan Kwaku for the net president akonwa no so na aside that fast forward na omi na ko share wodwo ase His Excellency eputi with all and some Okatakyie Afrifa kan for the hunyina entro ene no kra waka for the hunyina na busua o sorry ekochia no efise Okatakyie Afrifa ohene na this act oye no Kwaku Manu si debi papa ina adwen mu do even abra His Excellency ono ankasa ni nua driving important nam town na wode ne ko baabia be no paso ko no Okatakyie Afrifa san tran show san bashi His Excellency debi yenye ne saa woni yeto ma wonua ne de woni shares wo akonwa die num enti ade enti na wose wo ho kwan ema wonua etimi drive wo de wo fa krom anase wo drive do ko baabia paso ko Ghana mramu no enche se wose wonua drive wo His Excellency puti the differences between him and then Okatakyie Afrifa na wetimi sorry chia no
se obi a mo wosika na mo sa wa ho brase empemfo bu bebu bi o mo bu ise do wo kwase amre se wa obetete but wo hwem panfo we a ahobrase pa me hu bi da
na memfo mo nkwachi na na rodan Kwaku for the former president abusunya it got to a certain level where he told chiefs ese bi ahen fonketo say omon sorry na ansa na wache it happened twice. Now this shows that His Excellency is very humble. He cherishes human being. He puts his differences aside, and I think this time around he really meant for the reset in our Kaya and Abuja.
Say we yemia Okatakyie Afrifa. Ejina yura Ibrahim Mahama so ene John Dramani Mahama so ye beto abey back to back ya to abewie obeye mampanyin na omotidwa abo ase no mo hu se Okatakyie etutu ntoma se wo hene na chini esi ne so oba by President Mahama adwene se ahini di kan ansa na president eba enti eni die ne ebuo kwanso na mamere kwanso no wo hene pon bi eba ye sori but ono so ye mampanyin sebi ahemfuchi na ebi dide bi achi yenim Okatakyie ahini no ne level ewo ti nkomo yo anya mampon hene na eba enye friend say bant ma hene na eba enya ahemfo akase bi na eba Okatakyie na eba but oyo hene otimi dis how respect we am no asori akwakochia Mahama.
He is not only saying it or acting it, he's also showing it to the public, because this shows say Okatakyie Afrifa and in him he will feel embarrassed because say ube na platform so no what this will be any potential no watch and was rashi where mu dey na say oni ni potential mo po we ene nam so na Manu kuma actor busia na owoka say His Excellency ni nua na dey wo hu nipa omojo say san kofo koimi no da busia
Ema me pe John Dramani Mahama asem se president one ne yere me form ni akro ne ni
na for me I think say from the Fourth Republic since social media they the course of social media no president or that form aside the former president, the late former president John Fifi Atamils, aside him I think president Utiga na Fuasem na say the Kwaku Manu Kaya is very humble. He put the differences aside, and then not only that, he tries to listen to the people underground, and at the same time respect people equally. I love that thing about His Excellency, and that is one thing you cannot take away from him. And I feel like from the Fourth Republic I haven't seen anyone like that except the late president John Fifi Atamils. And then I feel like he's really doing a good job as a president, and then we also give him the applaud and the praises he needs. And if you baby ako amoyehu and ebiso ye bi ama sana you go so ye witness of governance we and some trending on all over the social media space abusha na majebe na mde somwe Kama Studios. What do you think about His Excellency any Okatakyie from act no na ebimo bibre na ka wansam say His Excellency ade awaye eso ani na Okatakyie so ni tremu no obufo ono ankasa ni tremu no obufo pa sanse ye wo ye no a good name eduru ba bia na nokre enchede ni sana nkofo kro na so eka o social media so na me de somwe hase Kama Studios na dey dikan ya. Don't forget to subscribe to our platform all over the social media space at Kama Studios. Facebook Kama Entertainment Zone and afi Selifu Abdomeso se ubejibre na wahwe videos na nyina atwa mu no se de be ya obehu ne yekoso wo ye man mu.